tèmi báwo la ṣe lè lo iyọ̀ láti fi lè get love and attraction gbogbo ibi tí a bá ń dé. Just iyọ̀, báwo la ṣe fẹ́ lò? Ẹ lọ bá mi get iyọ̀, tí ẹ bá ti wá get iyọ̀ yẹn wá perfume. Èyíkéyìí perfume iṣẹ́ tí mo fẹ́ fún wa ṣe tó dájú ni o. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ ìjáde nítorí àwọn new follower mi nítorí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ ìsẹ́yìn ó ti pẹ́. So mo wá ní kí n tún gbé wá fún àwọn new follower mi. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ló ń gbà yẹn wọ́n lè ṣe kíni wọ́n appreciate wọ́n dẹ̀ confirm ẹ̀ gan. So tí ẹ bá ti get iyọ̀, ìwọ tó wáyé pé sea salt ló ní, fine. Ìwọ tó pé normal salt náà ní, fine. Ẹ wá ṣe kíni? Ẹ wá ná perfume choice yẹn lè wá ọ̀nà ńlá back to sender èyíkéyìí. Ẹ wá fi iyọ̀ díẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀ bí half spoon ẹ fi sínú ẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn tí ẹ bá ti fi sínú ẹ̀ tán ọmọ ìyá mi ẹ wá efinrin 21, look for scent leaf 21. Then put it inside, keep it for 7 days, 3 days. Tí ẹ bá ti fi perfume yìí, ẹ bá ti fi iyọ̀ sínú perfume yìí, ẹ wá fi. Lẹ́yìn tí ẹ ti bu iyọ̀ sínú perfume yìí, ẹ máa lọ wá efinrin scent leaf, look for scent leaf 21. Then put it inside that perfume that you had salt to it. So now keep it. Ẹ bá mi tọ́jú ẹ̀ fún 3 days. After 3 days, start using it. Gbogbo wa la mọ efinrin là ń pè ní scent leaf. Ẹ fi efinrin sínú ẹ̀. Efinrin 21, add 21 scent leaf. Then add salt to that perfume. Use any perfume of your choice. You can use Onola, back to sender. So just use it, Miami, and you will do what? You will thank me later. This work now, confirm on you. So ẹ bá ń share video yẹn jọ. Let other benefit from this work. Guys, thank you so much. Help me subscribe to my YouTube. A wish. Just so I make a wish with these 2 items and see the result. This is a miracle leaf, Abamoda. This alligator pepper. You only need the seed. Male, ọkùnrin should use 9 seed. Obìnrin should use 7 seed. Then place it on it. Ẹ fi sórí ẹ̀ báyìí. Then make a wish with it before you go out. Then and do what? Eat it. Ẹ jẹ, chew it and eat it. Swallow it. Ẹ jẹ kẹ́ gbé mi. Even by eating it, ó tún níṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe sára. Ó tún ní health benefit tó tún ṣe sí ara. So please guys, share this video. Enjoy. Just a miracle leaf and alligator pepper is doing wonder. Just try it. Make a wish with it. Ohun tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ sọ pé nǹkan báyìí mo fẹ́ lénìí. Then eat it along with the alligator pepper.